Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix the issue of YouTube dark mode not working. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Settings on your device. From there, tap on Apps, then head into the App Manager or Manage Apps, depending on your device. Scroll through the list and select YouTube. Once you're in the app settings, tap on Storage, then choose Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, go back to the previous screen and select Force Stop. Confirm by tapping OK. Next, open the Play Store, search for YouTube, and reinstall or update the app to ensure you're running the latest version available. Once the installation is complete, restart your device so the changes take effect properly. In most cases, these steps resolve dark mode problems and improve the app's overall performance. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and daily tips. See you in the next video.